So one part is the conversion part. Today we're going to do the conversion. Now, how do you do the conversions, Adam? A very simple thing is there. Understand? Learn one sentence. It says King Henry died, mother did not, cried much. Okay. Now
Okay.
this sentence, King stands here for kilo. H stands here for hecto. D stands here for deca. Okay.
Okay.
M here stands for meter, simple meter, no prefix, or simple gram or simple liter. You have to remember this part.
Yeah.
This D here stands for deci. This C here stands for centi. And this M right here stands for milli. Okay.
Okay.
Now these are what? These are my prefixes. These are what? These are my prefixes. All right. All right.
Okay.
Right. Prefixes means what? Prefixes means what?
So
Prefixes
like
means
they like add something to the front of the word to make a different word.
exactly. They're added to the front of a word to make a different word. So how do you actually add? If I have gram, I can say kilogram. I can say hectogram.
Yeah.
I can say decagram. All these prefixes I can use right in front of gram. I can simply keep it gram. I can do decigram.
Okay.
I can do centigram. I can do milligram.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I can do what? I can do kiloliter. I can do hectoliter. I can do decaliter. Or I can simply keep it liter. No prefix. So M here basically means no prefix at all. I can do deciliter. I can do centiliter. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
I can do milliliter. It's up to me what measurement I have to make. I can use any prefix with liter. I can use any prefix with gram. How can I
Yeah.
use? I can say kilometer. Now with meter also I'm using, isn't it? I can use hectometer.
Yeah.
I can use decameter. Are you understanding? I can simply keep it meter. Are you understanding or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
I can keep it decimeter. I can keep it centimeter. I can keep it millimeter. Do you understand my point?
Yeah.
Now it's very, very simple. If at all I ask you to carry out the conversion, right? Just write down this sentence. Just write down the sentence. You understand? King Henry died. Mother did not cried much. And what you can do, you can simply under every letter write down its prefixes. You can write down its prefixes. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Right? So it would be kilo, hecto, deca, meter, centimeter, whatever it is. I hope you're understanding.
Yeah.
Right? And when you have this particular part, Adam, it's very simple, very, very simple. What would you write down? It is hecto, it is deca, it is simply meter, liter, or gram. So mother M stands for meter. But you have to understand if meter is written without any prefix, the gram could also be written down without any prefix, and liter could also be written down without any prefix. This would be my deci. Do you understand? This would be my
Yeah.
centi, and this would be my milli. right? So these are my prefixes. Now, if I say, Adam, you have to move from kilo to hecto. If I have to convert from kilo to hecto, you will multiply with one jump, you multiply with 10. When you move forward from kilo to hecto, you're moving forward. And you multiply with one jump, you multiply with 10. Hecto to deca, you multiply again with 10 when you're moving forward. From deca to meter, you are again multiplying with 10. From meter to deci, you are again multiplying with 10. From deci to centi, you are again multiplying with 10. And from centi to milli, you are again multiplying with 10. Are you understanding? So every
Yeah.
one jump forward will help you to multiply with 10. Do you understand my point?
Yeah.
So what does that mean now? Tell me. If I move backward from milli to centi, I will divide by 10.
Right?
I will divide by 10. Okay? If I'm moving jumping back centi to deci, I will again divide by 10. One jump backward will divide by 10. One jump forward is multiplied by 10. So here it would be divided by 10. Here it would be divided by 10. Here it would be divided by 10. And here it would be divided by 10. Are you understanding my point? So,
Yeah.
for example, if I say that, convert 1 kilometer to meter. So, you see where you are supposed to move, forward or backward. You have to convert kilometer to meter. So, you are moving from kilo, 1 forward, 2 forward, 3 forward, from kilo to meter. You understand? So, how many steps are you moving forward?
3.
3. So, you'll say 1 kilometer times 10 times 10 times 10. Are you understanding? Lower down the camera a bit, I can't see you. Do you understand? Because it is taking me 3 steps to move forward. So
Yeah.
I will multiply 1 kilometer, whatever the value I have to convert, I will multiply that with 3 times 10. So my answer shall be 1000 meter. Simple. Are you understanding? How difficult is that? Very simple.
It's not.
So if I say you have to convert 1 meter to millimeter, mm means millimeter,
Yeah.
millimeter. So where are we initially? We are at meter here.
Yeah.
And from here on, I have to move forward. From meter, I have to move forward to millimeter. How many steps do you think I will have to move? One step, jump forward,
2.
right? Second step, jump forward. And third step, jump forward. Only thing you have to remember this sentence in order. So you will have 1 meter into 1000 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 3 times you have to multiply with 10. Isn't it easy?
Yeah.
So you have 1000 millimeters. So 1 meter will have 1000 millimeter. Understood or not?
Understood.
So for example, if I say here only the same question, next question. If I ask you to convert that, you have 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters to millimeter. Now,
Yeah.
just look at the unit. The unit is at centimeter. So we are at centimeter. We are initially right here at centimeter. And from
Yeah.
centimeter to millimeter, we have to convert. How many steps do you think I have to move?
One step.
One step. And one step forward means multiply with 10. So I will have 5 times 10. The number multiplied by 10, that many millimeters. So 50 millimeters. Are you understanding my point?
Yeah.
Isn't it? How simple is that?
Simple.
Simple. How difficult? Is it difficult?
No.
So, why did you find this conversion very difficult?
Because when we were doing it in school, they only did it to meter and centimeter, so they didn't do it to anything else.
But now you can convert from one unit to any other unit. It should not be a problem now.
Yeah.
Now, if I ask you to convert 3 centimeters to meter, Now where are we moving? Tell me.
You're moving.
We are moving back from
Yeah.
centimeter to decimeter, and from
One,
decimeter back to meter. That's what we are doing.
two,
So how many
two,
steps are we moving backward? We are moving backward 2 steps.
two step.
So
Yeah.
that would mean 3 divided by 100. Divided means this line. And 100, 10 times 10. What is 10
Yeah.
times 10? 100.
Yeah.
So
100.
divided by 100. That's my answer. So 3 over 100 centimeters, isn't it? Isn't it? Tell me. Very simple part.
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy.
So, for example, if I ask you to convert, understand. If I ask you to convert, let's suppose this. Let's suppose I ask you to convert this. What am I supposed to ask you? I say 65 decimeter. Decimeter is small dm. Okay, small dm means decimeter.
Yeah.
I want you to convert small decimeter to kilometers. Now you see, where am I supposed to move from? Left to right or from right to left? Tell me.
Right to left.
Right to left. Okay. So, are we moving forward or are we moving backward?
Backward.
Backward. How many steps do you think? We are right here. We are at decimeter. And from
Ah,
decimeter to kilometer. So, how many steps do you think we have to move forward, backward?
5.
One step, two step, three step, and
4
four
step.
steps. Four steps. So, every step division by 10. So, my answer shall be 65 divided by what?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. Simple. That's my answer. So 65 over 10,000 kilometers would become my answer. So you will say 65 divided by 10,000. So 65 decimeters is basically 65 divided by 10,000 kilometers. Are you understanding my point?
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy.
Now tell my answer. If I say
60.
127 decameter to centimeter, capital DM would mean decameter.
Yeah.
So will you be able to convert this now?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Yeah. 3.
So I have
So
to multiply or divide this time now?
multiply.
Multiply. So 127 times 1000,
Yeah.
because it is 10 times 10 times 10. So 127,000 centimeters, isn't it? How difficult is that?
Yeah.
Easy?
Easy.
Easy or not?
Easy.
Simple.
Simple.
Hmm?
Simple.
Now, one more thing we have to learn today. Okay, so this was the conversion part. This was the conversion part, and it was very, very important part. So the sentence that you have to shout now: King Henry died. King Henry died. Speak it out. Mother didn't cry much.
King Henry died. Mother didn't cry much.
Yes, King Henry died. Mother did not cry much. That's the sentence. Easy.
Easy.
King Henry died. Mother did not cry much. What a nonsense sentence is this? But this is a sentence, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I ask you to convert 250 kilograms to grams, now would you be able to convert this for me now?
Yeah.
Tell me.
1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
So 250 times 1,000.
1000. That will give me 250 and 3 more zeros. These many grams. Understood or not?
Understood.
Easy part or not?
Easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Now understand. When we have this particular method, so it is easy for you to convert. If I ask you to convert 567 kilograms to centigrams, how would you convert, Adam?
One,
Hmm.
two,
Two. Forward or backward?
forward,
Forward. Three,
2, 3,
four,
4,
five.
5,
And every step
6.
we are moving forward. No, no. Centigram. So we have to stop at centigram. See.
Ah, yeah,
So every time you're moving forward, we would do into 10, into 10, into 10, into 10, into 10, isn't it?
yeah.
So that would be what? Tell me. That would be
5,
567
5, 5,
into
10 times 5.
10 times 5. Correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically this. So 5, 6, 7, and 5 zeros, isn't it?
Yeah,
These many CGs. CGs as in centigrams. Understood or not?
understood.
Easy.
Easy.
That's how we are supposed to solve it. Simple. Now, for example, we have to learn one new thing also. What is that new thing we are learning?